Get ready to experience the future of trucks with this incredible 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning four-wheel drive Super Crew. Dressed in a sharp Oxford white exterior, this Pro Series model is loaded with features. You'll love the powerful LED projector headlamps, the clear 12-inch digital instrument panel cluster, and heated front seats for those crisp Fraser Valley mornings. Plus, it comes with the versatile mobile power cord, turning your truck into a mobile generator. Book a drive test today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Tired of the constant trips to the pump? Imagine powering your next project in Mission or your weekend adventure through the Fraser Valley without a single drop of gas. This all-electric F-150 Lightning is your answer. For those early mornings or late nights on the job site, the zone lighting system illuminates the entire area around your truck. Inside, you'll find comfortable and durable Medium Dark Slate ActiveX bucket seats, dual-zone electronic air conditioning, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel for the perfect driving position. It's also equipped with stylish 18-inch alloy gloss black wheels and rugged all-terrain tires. This truck is built for work with a fully boxed steel frame, a Class 4 trailer hitch, a spray-in bedliner, and a convenient tailgate step. Plus, the massive front trunk gives you secure, weather-protected storage. Safety on the road from Abbotsford to anywhere is paramount, which is why this Lightning includes a lane-keeping system, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, a blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, and trailer sway control. A common question we get is, what makes the Lightning so capable? It's all in the details right from the factory. This truck features an electric drive regular axle and an 8,350-pound gross vehicle rating package, giving you the foundation for serious capability. With features like the included tow hooks, tie-down hooks, and reverse brake assist, it's engineered to handle the toughest tasks with confidence. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.